now when you're as a senior management, right, or when you're as a data leader, right, in your daily work or in the on your job profile right now, how much hands-on does a data leader require to do to stay in the current fast-paced environment?
So I think hands-on are very crucial part of anybody's. Be you be a leader, you be a unless you are a director level, maybe. I would say hands-on is extremely important. Reason being, you you actually work with different types of people, right? Your team might be filled with amazing tech guys, but they might not have understanding of the business. So to be successful in a leadership position, what you need to have is a balance of all those four qualities that I talked about right now. And again, mind you, there is no end to gaining those qualities. It's not that I did a course on leadership and it's done. So with everything that is happening around, with all the chaotic things, all the changes that it is going through the whole ecosystem, you have to be knowing how to work on those. So there are two reasons for that. First of all, if you don't know things, then there is a high chance that you will not be able to estimate the time needed to complete something. Definitely you can ask a person who's like working with you, but they can misguide you, right? They can tell you that this is going to take 7 days when it is going to take, let's say, 4 days. So unless you yourself know it, it is not really going to help you to estimate. That is the first thing. Second thing is, you will not be able to, let's say you can think out of the box, but your colleague, maybe he is thinking in a different way. So you will not be able to have a conversation. You will not be able to ideate unless you have that hands-on experience. You will not be able to ideate. It will be very vague. You might have just read some articles and done some googling or something, but unless you do it hands-on, as I said, skin in the game is very important. So you have to be passionate about it, and you have to keep learning. That is the